Today, we're going to learn how to create a complete AI storyboard using Google Flow's Storyboard Studio. This tool makes the entire storyboard creation process incredibly simple by automatically generating your story structure, characters, locations, props, and even camera shots. So, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Google Flow. Open the official website, click on Get Started, and create a new project. Once your project opens, you'll see several options on the left-hand side, such as media, characters, scenes, and more. Now click on Tools, then select Storyboard Studio, and click Get Started. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the style of storyboard you want to create. For this tutorial, I'm selecting 3D animated, but you can choose any style depending on your project. Next, we need a story. You can either write your own story from scratch or use AI to generate one. In this example, I'm using AI to create a random story. Once the story is generated, simply paste it into the editor. If you want to make any changes or improve certain parts of the story, you can edit everything directly before moving to the next step. As soon as you continue, Storyboard Studio automatically analyzes your story and extracts the important elements. It generates the title, divides your story into different scenes, and even creates dialogues wherever they're needed. This saves a lot of manual work and gives you a well-structured storyboard foundation within seconds. Now let's move to the Assets section. Here, the tool automatically detects everything required for your story. It creates separate lists for your characters, locations, props, and other important objects based on the story you've provided. One of the best features here is Autofill Details. With just a single click, Storyboard Studio automatically generates detailed descriptions for your characters, locations, and props. You don't have to spend time writing detailed prompts yourself. However, if you want more creative control, you can manually edit any asset and customize its appearance or description according to your needs. Once all the assets are ready, we can proceed to the Storyboard section here. Storyboard Studio automatically converts every scene from your story into storyboard panels. It also intelligently selects suitable camera shots for each scene, making the storyboard feel much more cinematic. If you prefer different camera angles or want to change the number of shots in a particular scene, you can easily adjust everything manually. After reviewing all your scenes, characters, and camera shots, your storyboard project is complete. Finally, to save your work, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Save. The tool will export your entire project as a JSON file. This file contains your complete storyboard, including the story, assets, scenes, and all your project data. Whenever you want to continue working on the same project, simply import this JSON file into Storyboard Studio, and all your progress will be restored exactly as you left it. And that's how you can create a complete AI-powered storyboard using Google Flow's Storyboard Studio. As you can see, the tool automates most of the creative workflow while still allowing you to customize every part of your project, making storyboard creation much faster and easier.